Okay folks, welcome back to the channel. This is what I've got going on this afternoon. Yesterday I laid this panel out, and I marked this edge right here, and this would be the outboard edge, and I marked that for this edge right here. Remember in the previous videos where I was getting that panel cut out, remember I said I had to take a little corner off right here. I had to take actually a significant little chunk off. But that's what I'm going to do right now. Like I said, I've got it marked right where I need to cut it, and so hopefully you can see this. I'm on my GoPro, so let me get that cut.